Hi everybody, my name is Kath Shaw and behind the camera is Graham Truelove, and today we are planting a perennial bed. And so we've got, one of the things I want to point out is that we've got groups of plants. This particular one is Veronica spicata, speedwell, and I've got the tags because I get a little nervous sometimes. Maidenhair grass, which has lovely red color, a lot of movement. And one of the things that I really want to note is that this is going to be a great demonstration garden of Tennessee natives, one of which I'm holding in my arms, which is a native phlox. And so basically natives have been here for centuries. They do really well in this climate, heat, humidity, the lighting conditions, that sort of thing in Tennessee. And so I'm going to have quite a few of these in this bed. But one of the things I want to draw everybody's attention to is grouping. This over here is liatris, and it's important if you've got kind of a tall, skinny plant like this, you get quite a few together so you can really make a statement. The other thing I want to draw everybody's attention to is it's nice to prep your bed with some good soil. We used cow manure in here. What's the term for that, Graham?
Composted.
Composted cow manure, which basically means that it's been heated up so it isn't poopy smelling and stinky anymore, and it's wonderful. It's a great all-purpose, very gentle fertilizer, and this bed was depleted by some knockout roses and we dug them all out. But anyway, I just wanted to let you all know what we're doing. You might want to take a look down here at just how many plants we're getting. This bed is about 40 feet by 2 or 3 feet on that area, and about 5 feet wide over there. And so there's a number of different plants that are in various stages. Some of them are starting to overwinter, so they look a little small and brown, but the root balls are fine. And so next spring they'll come up and be all springy and green. And so thanks for watching everybody, and see you at Bees on a Bicycle.